This project is so much fun and it is so easy. First, wipe off your wooden ornament in your box. Take the original formula, fill your cup about halfway with the original formula, and then we're going to take this beautiful wintry mix called Blue Christmas that we made on our live and mix it into the resin. Then pour half of the resin into the middle of your ornament and using a silicone brush or any kind of spreading tool, kind of move it around, and once it starts to thin out, add the rest of your resin. Run a lighter over the top so it levels, and then we're going to go ahead and cure this for 1 to 2 minutes. Choose from one of your 2 decals, place it on top of the ornament and make sure there's no air pockets. Apply some UV resin to the top and spread it around like you did with the glitter. Let it rest, use the lighter to get rid of any bubbles, and we're going to cure this for 1 to 2 minutes. Next, take your twine, pull it through the middle of the ornament and tie it off, and you're left with a gorgeous wooden ornament for your tree. Now, if you happen to get resin in the hole, just drill it out and you're good to go.